How to reset your entire settings menu on Android. Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can reset your entire settings menu back to default on your device. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and hit the subscribe button as well. So the first thing that you need to do is open up your phone settings. And from here, you just want to scroll down and you will see the advanced feature options right here, or you can find it under general management. It will depend on the device that you have. In my case, I'm just going to tap on general management and it will show me this reset option. Just tap on it. So once you do that, you can scroll down. You can, if you want to reset all settings, you can tap on the first options. It will reset your security settings, your language settings, accounts, personal data, and settings for downloaded apps. If you just want to reset your mobile settings, you can do from here. It will reset your mobile network settings, reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and then reset the accessibility settings. So in order to reset all of your settings, just tap on this and tap on reset settings. It should reset your phone settings completely. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next